Hi, I am Vinita, she is Radhika and she is Mohana. We have started our Chennai chapter. We have been running our VG pageant from 2019. Now our 8th season is going to happen. But in Chennai, it is going to be the first one for the city level. So what we have seen in the women's life is they are doing everything for others, but they are not doing anything for themselves. And this is where this VG pageant has come up with the idea that how you can be happy in whatever you're doing, and then after that whatever you want to do. So nowadays there are so many things. I will say we are living in the best of the time right now. Everything is available online. Everything is available. You can study online. There's so many things that is happening online, but women do not know how to bring out the energy from their own inside. So this is where VG pageant will tell them how to bring out that energy. Okay, we all have Shakti inside. So we have designed our pageant in such a way where step by step, from the time they come to the pageant, they learn how to walk confidently. They know how to walk, by the way, but they learn here. And when they walk confidently, you can see their body language, you can see how they talk. See, I was a housewife till the age of 47. She was a working professional. She was a housewife before. But we brought out our inner quality, our inner passion, you can say. We brought out that, and then at this age, we came to know that we all can do something different also. That we also have some identity. We also have some pehchan, okay? And that is where, when we started this pageant, all the women out there, all the women, whether you are a housewife or you are a working woman, or your weight has changed, your size has changed, you think that your age is over, nothing at all matters over here. Only thing what matters is whether you want something for yourself. And the one question that I will ask from every woman, what do you want? You want the happiness of your child, you want the happiness of your husband, you want the happiness of your family, you want to do everything for your family. But what about yourself? Do you want to live the same life till the end of your life, or do you want to have your own identity? You can see when I'm saying this thing, I'm having that feeling inside, because I have seen so many women asking the same question ki mera kya hoga, but nothing is happening. And then the second thing that happens in their life is they are dependent on their husband for every small thing. In fact, what to cook in the morning, for that also they are dependent. So I would say, please come up. This is your family, this is your wife, this is your mother, this is your mother-in-law, this is your sister who wants to create something for herself. Just let her do what she wants, and then you will see her growing like anything. And this is where this pageant comes. Let them have their wings, and you will fly along with them also. And this is where our pageant comes.
Registration, madam.
Okay, so the registration link will be given on our ad. You will see our ad very soon everywhere. Okay, you will open your Instagram, you will see us over there. On Facebook, we'll be there, and these are the two main places where you can see us. There will be the registration link. Please register yourself. Get your audition done. Decide for yourself, and then after that, the pageant will be happening. From the city level, you can go to the national level, and from the national level, you can go to the international level also. And what will happen after that? You will become the brand. You will start living for yourself. That's what I want to say.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so much.